So for today's video, I just want to do something a little bit different and actually introduce you to something new that we did in today's workshop. So those of you that don't know, TrendSignal, a couple of training programs here. TrendSignal Plus, which is more for swing trading, position trading, and then Dynamic Trader, which is more for short-term intraday trading as well. And what I want to do is focus on the day trading side of it today, looking at the Dynamic Trader strategies. Now, to support our traders, our new traders, our experienced traders who want to learn better techniques, we support our traders with one-to-one coaching and also with a live trading room as well. Now, if you don't know what a live trading room is, this is where you can log in online from anywhere in the world. You can see our screens, our traders' screens, you can hear our traders talking, and we're calling trades, we're discussing trading opportunities, we're talking about the strategies that we teach, the rules-based strategies we teach, so that you can, I guess, follow trades and learn while doing. Now, what I want to do is talk about something that we did today, and we've not done it before, which sounds kind of weird, which is to actually poll our clients as to whether they made money on a trade that was called. You know, we always ask actually, and people type in, yeah, made 20 pips, 30 pips, whatever it may be. But actually what we did is a specific poll, and I found this really interesting to do it as an exercise just to see if people were making money as we hoped and expected that they would be. And actually the results came back and it was really, really pleasing. So let me just go through a little bit now. You're seeing on the screen here where the black arrow points to is really the entry point from a trade this morning. Now, Stuart Hopkins, who's our head coach, was running the live trading session this morning, and he called a trade on the 4 minutes past 9, or the 9:04 bar on the DAX, pointing to a sell trade. Why was it a sell trade? Of course, this is the sort of content we explain to our traders in our live workshops, in our one-to-one coaching, our training videos, and our training course. But the simple point really is because all the indicators are indicating the market's going to go down. We're looking at downward arrows here. Bottom section of the price channel, we're selling into weakness. You're looking at red lines here, the orange line indicating the trend. Everything is pointing down, and that's something that we just can't overlook. There's an entry opportunity on the open of that green bar. Bit smelly for the first couple of minutes, but then it came off quite aggressively. And you know, some traders would have managed to stay in this trade probably to around, worst case, around sort of here for maybe around sort of 50 points or so, 30, 40 points, which actually in the DAX is a pretty big move. It's not in Dow compared to the Dow, but it is pretty decent compared to the DAX. Anyway, where am I going with this? So we called the trade, people were in there, they were saying they were doing it, they're following it and so on. We've got new traders in there, brand new dynamic traders, more experienced dynamic traders. The question is, how are they actually getting on? Because this video really is here to really address the elephant in the room. That this chart looks complicated, doesn't it? Lots of lines, lots of indicators, lots of, I don't really know what any of it means. You might be able to do it, but that doesn't mean that I can do it. I can be profitable. Okay, we cover that with the support and training, but what I want to do is address it here. We asked traders, we called the trade, we then asked traders from our live session, did you make money on this trade? And here was the result. 3 answers: yes, no, didn't take it. Okay, so what was the result? Did you make money on this trade? 65% of people that answered the poll said yes, 34% said they didn't take it. 0% took it and lost money. Okay, what this basically means is there's a lot of people not taking the trades, and that's absolutely fine. Maybe you're out making a cup of tea, expensive cup of tea, or maybe you're just not quite ready yet. You know, you're sitting on your hands, you're new to all this, you're just letting it, just absorbing the information like osmosis in there. But the point really being is that 100% of our students that took this trade made money on this trade, which means that people are out there and they are doing it. And whilst this chart to the untrained eye might look a little bit complicated, as soon as you understand the techniques and you understand, more importantly, the rules of engagement, then suddenly it becomes a whole lot more straightforward. It's just a question of knowing the rules, and that's what our coaching and training and live trading rooms are all about. So if you'd like to find out more about Trend Signal, then why don't you please get in touch? You can do so in a number of different ways. Go to our website, www.trend-signal.com, and you can email us as well if you want to make an inquiry and have a chat with one of our traders and set up a call. Just send us an email to info@trend-signal.com. We'd love to help you become a more successful trader. So get in touch and we'll see what we can do. All the best and have a great week's trading. Bye-bye for now.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.